My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. I worked at IRS for 10 really long years, and I've been in private practice for 42 really long years. I've been on the national news many times. Just go to my website at 777irs.com and learn all about me. I've been on ABC, Fox Business, News Nation, Newsmax, all the stations that you can imagine. Like I said, this is an infomercial about me. I just want to let you know when a collection, if you owe IRS debt and a collection revenue officer gets your case, it's time. It's time that you pay attention and get representation. Now, there's some really good revenue officers and there's some that are really nasty. Now, when you're first approached or you know you have a revenue officer on your case, that is the time before you start turning documents over, before you get appointments to call somebody in. And I'm not telling you this just to say, hey, call me, but I'm just being honest. This case can go south on you really fast because here's the thing. When I was a revenue officer, I knew all the letters were sent, all the bills were sent, and now the case had to come to me. So the first thing I did, and what they're going to do is they're going to pull up a lot of history on you. They're going to pull up a bunch of financial data, tax returns, everything. They may start doing a lot of searches, asset searches right there. They're going to know a lot about you. Then they're going to send you out a 9297 or a 725B letter out asking you to start bringing in a load of information into them so they can make a determination. At this time, usually they're looking for a sizable payment agreement when they get these cases. So they're going to go through all the expenses, everything you got, and they're going to make sure all your tax returns are filed. And that laundry list of things they give you can be very consequential. So I just want to let you know, and this isn't, like I said, an infomercial about me, but when a revenue officer gets your case, because I was one, usually good things don't happen. I just don't want you to get a payment agreement you can't afford. They're going to make sure all your returns are filed. They're going to make sure you're current on either estimate payments and or if you got a business, federal tax deposits. But they are there to fully enforce the law. They are not your friend. They're there to close your case in the best interest of the government. I'm available. Just give me a call and we can go from there. Give me a subscription. Just being really honest about revenue officers because I was one.